Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of cauliflower butter masala or gobi butter masala. Let's start with ingredients. 2 large ripened tomatoes, cauliflower cut into florets, 2 onions chopped, butter, turmeric powder, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 15 cloves of garlic chopped, ginger chopped, 1 green chili chopped, hot water, a small cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, dry fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi, 15 cashew nuts, salt for your taste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Let's start the preparation now. In hot water, let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is going to kill all the insects in the cauliflower. Add in the cauliflower florets. Press them aside. Let's boil water in a pan. Add some cashew nuts. Close the lid. After 5 minutes, cashew nuts have boiled. Let's collect them in a bowl. In the same boiling water, add tomatoes. Blanch them by closing the lid. It's been 2 minutes. Open the lid, turn tomatoes to the other side. Bottom side of the tomatoes have cooked well. You can see the skin is peeling out. Now you can close the lid and cook for about 2 minutes. Tomatoes have blanched well. Collect tomatoes in a bowl. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add cinnamon and cloves. Now let's add 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 1 green chili chopped, ginger chopped, 15 cloves of garlic chopped. Saute them for about 5 minutes. Now onions have turned golden brown. Let's collect them in a bowl. Turn off heat or flame. Tomatoes have cooled down now. Let's peel the skin of tomatoes. In a blender, let's add tomatoes which were blanched, peeled and chopped. Then add sauteed onions, ginger, garlic and chili. Add boiled cashew nuts. Blend them to give a fine paste. In a hot pan, add butter. Let the butter melt. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot now. Let's add the blended mixture. Mix it well with butter and oil. Close the lid and cook for about 15 minutes in medium flame or heat. Meanwhile, strain the turmeric water from cauliflower. Add in 1.5 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, dry fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi, salt for your taste, and mix the ingredients well with cauliflower so that cauliflower gets an even coat of all the ingredients. Rest in room temperature for about 5 minutes. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add the cauliflower. Let shallow fry it for about 2 minutes. Turn cauliflower to other side and shallow fry it for about 2 minutes. Cauliflower is fried now and looks crispy. Let's transfer it in a bowl. Gravy has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix it in the gravy. Add salt for your taste and close the lid. It's been 5 minutes now. Let's add 1 small cup of milk. Mix it into the gravy. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add fenugreek leaves of kasuri methi and cook for about 3 minutes. Let's finish the preparation by adding shallow fried cauliflower. Mix it into the gravy and switch off flame or heat. Cauliflower butter masala is ready now. Try this recipe and give your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.